Hello, in this video we are going to cover command line arguments. So if you were to run your application via a command line and provide extra value, so these arguments right here, so this is just being a given that we've got an array of string data type and it's called args. So if you were to pass something in, and we can use those values. So let me just show you how to use the values and how to actually pass them in. So to use them, all we're going to do is print them out. So we're just going to do a for each loop. Try doing this yourself over this args array, and need some help. It's just the data type, name of the single element, you can name whatever you want, and then colon the name of the array. There we go. So if we do system .out.println and I do str like so, and then what you want to do is go to your application folder, so your workspace, mine's called tutorial, and in src is the Java file. Not in there, you want to go to the bin file where your class is. You don't want to access this yet because you want to actually compile it from here. So if I build it, as you can see, I've compiled it. If you compile it via command line or something else, that's fine as well. But this has been compiled on the latest version now. So if I go to console, I type in cd, drag and drop this so it goes to the correct folder. And now you type in the keyword Java, and that's the same. We're going to run a Java application. The name of the application, so Sonar Systems. You don't need to put .class and click enter. So that's running, that's fine. Well, I think it didn't print anything out. So let me just put this, before I provide the command line arguments, let me show you that it does work. So print line, welcome to this application. Save that, and if I, actually, let me go a step further. I will run this again. And okay, so I learned something new. It would appear that when I save it, it actually compiles it as well. And that's interesting. So okay, didn't know that. Fair enough. Fair enough indeed. Okay, as long as it's compiled, it's fine. So that's pretty cool. So how do we pass in the command line argument? It's simple. After you put Java, then the name of your application, put space, and if I put in hello, it prints out hello. So I put another space, and then I say, I don't know, a bunch of random characters, and then say, put my name. But remember, this is a string, so if I do dot, it will still be one string. So it's printed them all out. So that's how you provide command line arguments. You might have, let's say, played a game where, let's say, if you launch it via Steam, you can provide some sort of launch options, and they're like command line arguments. And it might be something to do with changing the performance or changing sort of assets that are loaded, or something to do with the graphical settings or debug mode, or anything really. And the application will first check for any valid arguments. If it gets one, then you'll do something accordingly. So that's how you provide command line arguments, and this is how you handle command line arguments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.